Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not popping up. So first of all, just open your Snapchat application. Once you are here, what you have to do is you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner and then tap on this gear icon in the top right corner, and basically it will lead you here into settings. Now the next thing you have to do is just scroll down a little bit and then you have to find this notifications. Just tap on this notifications and make sure to toggle that on so that you would be notified once there is a Bitmojis notification and so on and so forth appear. So just make sure to toggle this on, everything toggle on. And the next thing what you have to do is you just have to go to your phone settings and then scroll down a little bit, tap on this apps, then go for this manage apps and you have to search for Snapchat, tap on it. Now you have to tap on this notification and make sure to allow Snapchat to access your notifications, and you have to toggle all these on as well. So just toggle all these on like this, and basically that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.